In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up tags for a webinar in ActiveCampaign. We're going to walk through a simple automation that tags anyone who registers for your webinar, so you can easily segment them later for reminders, follow-ups, and replays. I'll guide you step by step, and you can follow along inside your own ActiveCampaign account. First, log into ActiveCampaign and look over to the left-hand side of your screen. In the main navigation menu, click on Automations. This is where all of your automated workflows live. Once you're on the Automations page, look for the button that says Create an Automation and click it. A window will pop up asking how you want to start. Choose the option to start from scratch. This gives you a blank canvas so you have full control over what the automation does. Confirm your choice to move into the automation builder. Now, the first thing you need to set up is the trigger. This tells ActiveCampaign when to start the automation. Since we're dealing with webinars, select the webinar trigger. Depending on your setup, you'll see different platforms here, such as Zoom or Webinar Jam. Choose the specific webinar platform you're using so ActiveCampaign can listen for new registrants from that tool. Next, you'll be prompted to define the event. From the event options, choose Registrant Created. This means the automation will start every time a new person registers for that particular webinar. Then select the exact webinar you want this automation tied to. This is important if you run multiple webinars so you don't accidentally tag people from the wrong event. Once that's set, click Add Start to confirm your trigger. After the trigger is in place, you'll see the main automation flow. Click on the plus icon to add your first action. From the action categories, choose Contacts and then select Add Tag. In the tag field, type something like Webinar Registered. Using a clear, consistent naming convention like this helps keep your tagging system organized, especially as you add more automations over time. Once you've typed the tag name, click Save. At this point, your automation is built, but it won't run until you turn it on. Look to the top right corner of the automation builder and find the toggle that controls the status. Switch it from inactive to active. Now, anytime someone registers for that specific webinar through your chosen platform, ActiveCampaign will automatically add the webinar registered tag to their contact record. This sets you up for cleaner segmentation and more targeted communication for your webinar campaigns.